Okay, so this next unit is all about getting sick and what our body and what plant systems have to defend themselves against these invading pathogens. So we just learned about all these nasty diseases. Now we're going to learn about why we don't get them all. So our bodies are very smart and they're very easily adaptable in the way that we can deal with pathogens. So the dot point that we're looking at here actually has two parts to it. So we've already looked at the first bit of this. We've already looked at the invading cellular and non-cellular pathogens as a source of non-self antigens. So that is your viruses, bacteria, all of that part there. So you need to understand a few of those categories, and we've already gone over those before you watch these videos. The next bit is about preventative strategies to even getting anywhere near the inside of your system or a plant system. So we only need to know about this first barrier in plants. We don't need to know about it in animals, but that's what the next two videos are going to be going through. There's going to be one on animals and one on plants. But the reason that we want to stop these pathogens from getting in is because sometimes they can just make you sick really fast. So gastroenteritis, the bacterium that causes gastroenteritis, reproduces every 30 minutes, which means you are doubling the amount of them, or if it's a virus as well, you're doubling the amount of the virus in your system every 30 minutes. And that's why you might start to feel a little bit funny and then you get really sick really fast. Again, our body can deal with this in a different way, but we need to think about why we even get sick. And this is my little summary diagram that shows us everything we're going to be talking about for the next probably week and a half. So these are our mechanisms. We have the defense mechanisms against pathogens. The first ones we're going to talk about are the non-specific ones. We're going to talk about the first line and we're going to talk about the second line of defense down here. And then these two over here, these are our third line of defense. Now, if it makes it past all of those, then that's when we get sick. So to begin with, we're going to firstly go over what are the barriers to prevent any kind of pathogen getting into your body. So these are non-specific, immediate, and the same for all pathogens. That will be our next video.